guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not gonna be a fragrance review, it's gonna be an eyeshadow palette review, and this palette was created by KATHLEENLIGHTS in the collaboration with ColourPop. I love Kathleen Lights. She's one of my most favorite beauty gurus here on YouTube, and I love ColourPop because they have the most beautiful products which are affordable and they have really nice high quality. So I was really excited to see that Kathleen released a new product like an eyeshadow palette, and the color is so beautiful, so I really wanted to support her and to order that palette. And I used this palette only twice. This is the second time me using it, and I really like that I came out with a really bold eyeshadow look, because I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not that good in makeup, but still I quite enjoy this final result. It is kind of like a smoky eye, but at the same time it is very wearable, and I'm just really extremely excited to share with you like the swatches of this palette and also to show you how I created this makeup look. So if you want to see all of that, then please keep on watching. So guys, I really would like to start with showing you the swatches, but first of all, let's have a look at the packaging. I really like this rose gold marble design, and in the back we have the names of all the eyeshadows that this palette has. So now let's open it, and ta-da! These are the eyeshadows. They look so beautiful. The only minus that this palette has is that there is no mirror inside, so that's why it is not that travel friendly, but still I love the eyeshadows. And I need to admit that this is not a first impression, because I have already filmed a first impression and the quality was not the best, so I decided to film another video. So I will show you the swatches in a minute, and then I will also create an easy makeup look with this palette, and I want to use as many shades as I can because they all are so beautiful. So as you can see, this palette has beautiful neutral shades which are perfect for everyday wear. Then we also have metallic colors on the warm side, then two bright and fun colors, two colors which are very deep and dark, perfect for a dramatic smoky eye. And then we also have beautiful kind of like a highlighting shades which I was interested in the most, and this very unique color, just kind of like marble and very metallic. So I love them all. I will swatch them for you. I'm not the best at swatching, so here we go. I will start with these kind of like more neutral shades first, and with metallic ones. And I love how kind of like buttery and creamy powdery they are, so easy, you know, like to apply. These ones would be beautiful, like with this one you can apply all over your eyelid and then go with this one in your crease, and that will be like the easiest look ever. Or maybe you can, you know, like add these metallic shades which are so beautiful in the center of your eyelid, and then you will just make your look very unique and beautiful and bright, and it will really, you know, like pop. So yeah, I love these four shades. I think they are perfect if you want to go for an easy but still very beautiful and special look. And here are the swatches. Even though that these two colors are quite similar, you can see that this one is more like orange and coppery, and this one is just beautiful kind of like rose gold color, and these ones, they're just so beautiful and powdery. So let's move on to these really fun and bright and opaque shades, and this one is so dark. Look at it, it's kind of like matte, and the pigmentation is just insane, as well as in this one. Oh my god, you can see that I'm just like barely touch it, and oh gosh, so these are very beautiful. And then we also have this highlighting shade which is like in the, you can apply this one in the inner corner of your eyes, and it's so beautiful. I think you can even apply this one as a highlighting shade on your cheekbones. And here they are, these four colors. I love them, especially this highlighting one. So the last four shades are, you know, very beautiful, especially this one. I'm just in love with it. Look, If you have blue or green eyes, this one would be so nice on you. This one is kind of like a satin shade, but it still has something like highlighting to it. And this is a very dark, beautiful, kind of like neutral brown shade that will be perfect, will suit like every eye color. And here we have another, wow, highlighting shade. So you can see they're so bright. Oh my god, you can apply this one all over your eyelid and it would be stunning. And here they are. Even though this color is not that opaque on the camera, in the real life it is really nice, and this shade is my favorite out of this whole range. But you can see you can create so many different looks with this eyeshadow palette, and I just love them all, especially the metallic ones. I think they are the most beautiful. So as now I will create a look with this palette, and I have absolutely no idea which shades I'm gonna go for, but I want to use as many as I can because they all are so beautiful. And sorry that I'm looking so weird. This is just the tape that I like, you know, to apply right here because I have kind of like hooded eyes, and it's just making it easier for me to create a nice look without messing around too much. So I just gonna go for, I don't know, like everything, and I hope that I will end up with a nice looking makeup. And firstly, I will apply these two shades in my crease, just, you know, to create some beautiful base. So you can see how pigmented everything is, so I really need to tap the excess off. Now I decided to take kind of like these two colors and apply really carefully on the outer part of my eye, kind of like going into the crease, but not, you know, like all over, like being very careful. And you can see that the colors are just like, they're a little bit too powdery, so it's important to tape everything off. And at this point, I could apply these highlighting shades just all over my eyelid, and that would be such an easy and beautiful makeup look. But I want to create something different. I want to apply this eyeshadow like all over my eyelid, maybe even using my finger. I just want to do that very carefully, so I don't know how that will... Oh, I think that the colors work together really, really well. And even though the color applies nicely with a finger, I will use a small eye brush though for, you know, a more precise application. I kind of like how these colors look together, but I want to apply this one kind of like in the middle, or maybe more in the inner corner. So guys, now I think that it looks really pretty, but I will take, I guess, this shade and create kind of like a soft eyeliner. Result, and I really like how it turned out, because once again, I'm not a beauty guru. I am not that good in makeup, but I really like how this, you know, eyeshadow look looks, and I find that I have used quite a few different shades and they all go together so nicely. So I thought that I will create something simple, but this is a pretty dramatic smoky eye, at least for me, so I definitely recommend you to check out this palette. Everything is nice about it. It is affordable, it has really beautiful colors, and I give it a huge thumbs up. So Kathleen did a great job with this palette. Check out her channel, she is hilarious. I love her style. She's cool. She has really nice, beautiful makeup looks and different videos. So yeah, that was all from me. If you enjoyed this different video, not a fragrance review or something, but like makeup palette review, and if you enjoy watching me applying some makeup, please let me know. And if you want this video to be more chatty, please let me know as well, and I will film more of that for you. Especially, I love using ColourPop products. I love ColourPop. I find that they are so affordable and their quality is the best. So ColourPop is definitely my favorite makeup brand at this moment, and I would love to film some makeup looks for you, even though they're not as crisp and professional and wow as by many other really popular beauty girls, but still, let me know. I would love to do that. And for those of you guys who are wondering which perfume I'm wearing right now, it is actually Albino by DSH Perfumes, and it is such an amazing perfume. It is kind of like citrusy, and it is kind of like a modern shipper, but it has very unusual combo of rhubarb and cognac, which are not like the main heroes of this story, but still they make this perfume really outstanding, even though it is citrusy. So I personally love it so much. I'm wearing it right now, and that completes this video. If you enjoyed watching it, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see each other in the next one really soon.